Tropical Delight Smoothie, a taste of paradise. Escape to the tropics with just one sip. This Tropical Delight Smoothie is not only delicious but packed with health benefits. A hand cuts fresh mango, pineapple, and banana while placing them into a blender. 1 cup mango chunks, 1 cup pineapple chunks, 1 banana, 1/2 cup coconut milk, 1/2 cup orange juice, ice cubes optional. Just 5 simple ingredients: fresh mango, pineapple, banana, creamy coconut milk, and a splash of orange juice. Blend it all together until smooth. Mango, rich in vitamins and C for glowing skin. Pineapple, packed with bromelain to aid digestion. Banana, a great source of potassium for heart health. Coconut milk supports hydration and boosts immunity. This smoothie isn't just a treat, it's a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals that boost digestion, immunity, and energy. Refreshing, nutritious, and bursting with tropical flavors. Try it today and let your taste buds travel to paradise. Like and share for more healthy recipes.